Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Mini Cooper radio is probably one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your classic Mini. Imagine crisp, clear audio, seamless smartphone integration, and a dashboard that looks as good as new. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Mini Cooper radio upgrades, exploring the best options to transform your driving experience from vintage to vibrant. Number 5. ASURE Car Stereo for Mini Cooper Countryman Paceman. Introducing the ASURE Car Stereo, designed specifically for your Mini Cooper, Countryman, or Paceman. This unit brings modern features to your classic car, enhancing your driving experience. This 9-inch Android GPS navigation unit fits perfectly into your vehicle. It's designed for a seamless installation, making the upgrade process easy and straightforward. Enjoy wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to connect your smartphone effortlessly. It offers a user-friendly interface and access to your favorite apps. The 1280 by 720 touchscreen provides a crisp and clear display for navigation, media, and more. It makes everything easy to see and control. With a 4-core processor and 2 plus 32 GB of memory, it ensures smooth performance. It handles all your needs, from music streaming to GPS navigation, with ease. What we like. This unit boasts a large touchscreen display, making it easy to see everything at a glance. It also features wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can seamlessly integrate your phone. If you're looking for a modern, feature-rich upgrade with easy installation, this is the one for you. What people say. The sound amplification is awesome and way better than the last one I purchased. Setup was different but not difficult. Number 4. Android Car Stereo for Mini Cooper R56 with CarPlay. This Android Car Stereo seamlessly integrates with your iOS or Android devices. It comes with built-in CarPlay and Android Auto. Using voice commands, you can easily control it without taking your eyes off the road. Installation is a breeze with this plug-and-play system. It's designed to be compatible with your car's original plugs. If you have basic DIY skills, you can install it yourself and save money. Enjoy navigation, video playback, music streaming, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and more. The powerful Android system allows it to do much more than the original equipment, connecting your car to the internet. Easily adjust the volume, switch songs, and answer calls using your steering wheel controls. This feature makes your driving experience safer and more efficient. This Android car radio is specifically designed as a replacement for BMW Mini Cooper R56. It's a perfect fit for your car. What we like. This radio offers seamless integration with your smartphone via CarPlay and Android Auto. The plug-and-play design makes installation a breeze. If you value convenience and want to modernize your driving experience with smartphone integration, this is a great choice. What people say. The radio upgrade was a perfect fit for my Mini Cooper. The installation process was straightforward, and I was able to complete it without any professional help. The new radio has a much better sound quality compared to the original one. Number 3. Yoper Bluetooth adapter for BMW Mini Cooper. Introducing the Yoper Bluetooth adapter. It allows you to easily stream your favorite music directly from your phone to your car's audio system. This adapter provides a simple and convenient way to enjoy your music. Installation is a breeze. Just plug the adapter into your car's USB and AUX 3.5mm sockets. Then, connect it to your device via Bluetooth and you're ready to go. This adapter is compatible with BMW 13567 series and X1, X3, X5, X6 models, as well as Mini Cooper R55, R56, R57. It also works with most vehicles and home appliances with USB AUX-IN interfaces. Please note that this adapter does not support simultaneous charging and music streaming. It also lacks volume control buttons and doesn't support song changes via the iDrive system. The playlist won't display on your car screen. This adapter supports Bluetooth 5.0, enabling hands-free calling. Enjoy clear audio quality and a stable connection for both music and calls. It's a great addition to your car audio system. What we like. This adapter provides a simple way to add Bluetooth to your Mini Cooper. It's easy to install, just plug it in and connect your phone. If you like listening to music from your phone and want a simple, affordable solution, this adapter is perfect. What people say. I plugged it into my car's USB and AUX, which are located next to one another in my console, then connected via Bluetooth to my phone. Works very well and audio sounds very good. Installation is nothing more than plugging it into the stock USB and headphone jacks, then connect it via Bluetooth and enjoy. Number 2. ASURE Mini Cooper Single DIN Radio Install Kit. This kit includes everything you need to install a new single DIN radio in your Mini Cooper. It comes with a dash kit, wire harness, and antenna adapter, making the installation process straightforward. The dash kit has a sleek black finish that blends seamlessly with your car's interior. The wire harness and antenna adapter are designed for a direct plug-in, simplifying the setup. With this kit, you can easily replace your factory radio with an aftermarket single DIN radio. It provides all the necessary components for a smooth and professional installation. Please note that this kit may not retain certain features, such as steering wheel audio controls. An additional adapter might be needed to keep these functions. This kit is compatible with 2002 to 2006 Mini Cooper models and 2007 to 2008 Mini Cooper convertibles. Ensure it fits your specific vehicle before purchasing. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to install a single DIN radio. It includes a dash kit, wire harness, and antenna adapter. If you're looking for a basic, straightforward upgrade to replace your factory radio, this kit will get the job done. What people say. The radio upgrade was a perfect fit for my Mini Cooper. The installation process was straightforward. The new radio has a sleek design and integrates seamlessly with the car's existing features. Number 1. Android 10 Car Stereo for Mini Cooper F55F56. This car stereo boasts a powerful octa-core processor with 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM. It ensures fast and stable operation, making your driving experience smoother. It comes packed with features like Bluetooth, 4G Net, DSP, Mirror Link, CarPlay, and Android Auto. The system also supports voice commands and steering wheel controls, offering convenience at your fingertips. Pre-installed with an offline navigation app and a GPS antenna, it provides accurate navigation services. You'll always know where you're going with this device. Designed for a custom fit, it's plug-and-play with all necessary cables included. You can save on installation costs because it's easy to set up. Featuring a 9-inch IPS touchscreen with a high resolution of 1920 by 720, it offers a wide viewing angle and anti-fingerprint technology. The display provides a better visual enjoyment. With a built-in DSP digital processor, it offers dynamic range compression and noise filtering. The 30 EQ allows for precise sound adjustments, enhancing your listening experience. What we like. This unit features a high-resolution touchscreen and a powerful processor for smooth performance. It also has a built-in DSP for enhanced audio quality. If you appreciate a premium audio experience and want a responsive system, this is a great option. What people say. Plug and play was exactly that, with extra wires not reconnected, USB, AUX input, SAT and almost everything still works. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi both connect with no problem. The app Z-Link is the key to CarPlay and Android Auto. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.